Hello, my pretties. Let's have some guitar music fun, shall we? It's something I kind of created. It's not a full song yet, but something I've been toying with it. I think sounds really good. I've hinted at it before in past live feeds, so here's just a recorded version of it. It's real pretty. I love it. Comment, tell me what you think of it, what it makes you think of, how it makes you feel. I'd love to know. Okay, here we go. There will be mistakes. It's fun. Let's go. How's that sound? Comment. What does it make you think of? How does it make you feel? Could you pick out the mistakes? Could you pick out how I just rolled through the mistakes to the point where they maybe didn't even sound like mistakes, but just interesting nuance to the song and how I attack the strings? I've got a talent for that and I love it. Musicalorgasms.com is the website, as in plural, as in multiple. Musicalorgasms.com. Drop your comments. It's an exciting piece of music I've been just having fun jamming with, and no set particular way, but the basic structure is there. Bye for now. And share this.